Oh, hello YouTube. Another video, another day, more success. What do we have here? We have an Australian delivered Pearce Simpson Super Cheetah. Bears a similar look to a, what is it? It's the Stalker 9X and that range of radios. Quite a lot of difference. It's a different board inside. Pearce Simpson just used the chassis and the plastics and put a Uniden board inside of it. Okay, this was, I bought this off an estate of a good friend of mine who is now deceased. Very sad, Gary Cook. So this is a repair that's that is in respect of him. It won't be sold. It's going to be something that I'm going to put on my shelf and say that, okay, this is one of Gary's, which he never got around to fixing. All right, so when I got it, there was no meter light, meter didn't work, fixed all of that, got the meter working again, put a new meter light in, did a bit of a detail. The picture before this video is shows you what condition this was in. It's pretty much a virgin radio inside. Someone has been through it and twiddled and peaked it. It needed new finals, so I put a new pair of finals in it. It was missing It was missing a couple of parts, a couple of capacitors. Replaced those, put those in, and did a bit of an alignment. It came up. We've got obviously we've got AM power now, 4 watts. And SSB is around about 11 watts PEP, which is bang on what it's meant to be. All right. I've just gone through and done a very, very rough alignment just to get the power through and to get it transmitting. It wasn't transmitting when I got it. So quite a lot of achievement for today. And very nice to get something working again. All right, as I said, this is out of respect for VK3ZGC, Gary Cook, and one of his radios. All right, that's your lot. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll keep restoring these radios. This is just the start, so when I get all my gear back up and running and calibrate all the calibration tools, we'll be able to do things like get this spot on and working 100%. All right, that's your lot for the day. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.